Innovation is the cornerstone of success in America. In order to compete in the global marketplace, businesses and individuals are continuously striving to stay ahead of the game. I'm Terry Bradshaw. From emerging technologies and financial strategies to the latest healthcare developments, you would be surprised by the many factors coming into play. Welcome to Today in America. American industry is striving every day to become bigger, faster, and better. It's gone beyond the doorstep of the local production plant, crossing continents and oceans to span the breadth of new technologies, processes, and innovations. Join me as we explore the inner workings of an American industry. Many of the products we rely on today are made using computer numerical control milling machines or CNC machines. There is hardly a facet of manufacturing that is not touched by what these innovative machines can do. CNC mills transform aluminum, steel, plastic, and composites into a multitude of parts that comprise finished goods. Though they play a role across a wide range of industries, a universal problem has been discovered in many of today's CNC milling machines, which surrounds the retention knob, a critical component in the machining process.
CNC machines use V-flange tool holders with retention knobs to hold them into the spindle. The standard retention knobs on the market today, when tightened, will expand the small end of the taper of the V-flange tool holder and allow the large end to be loose in the spindle. This causes significant tool wear, vibration, chatter, and inability to hold close tolerances.
Though it's not clearly visible or audible, this slight movement or vibration is creating a significant impact. It causes tools to break down or wear out quickly, reduces feed rates, leads to poor tolerance, and creates excessive downtime. It can cause an entire workpiece worth thousands of dollars to have to be scrapped. All of this adds up to high costs, which affects the bottom line. J&M Machine is a manufacturer of products focused around the CNC machine spindle. These include clamp force drawbar gauges, retention knob sockets, and spindle cleaning products.
After years of witnessing uneven wear patterns, we decided to design the taper shank test fixture. With this fixture, we were able to solve the problem of the expansion of the V-flange tool holder and design the new high torque retention knob, which eliminates the expansion of the small end of the tool holder.
Known today as the high torque retention knob, J&M Machine's uniquely designed retention knob produces less deformation of the tool holder when torqued to the same tightness as a standard knob.
Our high torque retention knobs are manufactured from fine grain 8620. They're manufactured here in the United States. We use local vendors and products for all of our manufacturing services. They work by placing the threads deeper into the tool holder, which prevents the tool holder on the small end from expanding, which reduces the tool holder expansion anywhere from 2 to 10 times.
The company's high torque retention knobs are found in CNC machines all across the U.S., from small machine shops in rural communities to Fortune 500s in large urban areas. They're even used in J&M's own manufacturing processes. While checking the tool holders for expansion and changing the retention knobs are small steps that can make a big difference, there's more that machinists can do to ensure optimal operations. Checking the drawbar force using a clamp force drawbar gauge to ensure the tool is tightly clamped and thoroughly cleaning the spindle are also important. J&M officials say their products and techniques can reduce cost, increase production, lengthen tool life, and decrease downtime, all of which positively impact the bottom line.
Many people in the industry didn't believe changing a product as small as a retention knob could have an impact on their manufacturing process. But once we get the product out in their hand and allow them to try it, they are now becoming believers.